Welcome to the 2010 Wood Solution Fair Lunch and Wood Design Awards presentation. We are delighted to be here to recognize outstanding wood engineering and wood designs from Illinois, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. With over 50 nominees in 8 categories, we are here to showcase those elite designers and their projects. Each of the nominees were reviewed by a jury of 6 professionals for each criteria in a given category. The entire WoodWorks team extends our gratitude to these volunteer judges: Matthew Weil, Ava Kulterman, Juan Moreno, Mamie Harvey, Michael Rogers, and Steve Kibler. On behalf of the entire WoodWorks team, we would like to congratulate all of the nominees on their excellent wood projects. Commercial wood design. This category recognizes the creators of commercial projects that push the limits of wood design in offices, restaurants, stores, malls, industrial buildings, and other public spaces. Nominations were judged on the basis of showcasing wood's qualities such as strength, beauty, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. Myron Construction Company, corporate headquarters, Neenah, Wisconsin. Wenzler Architects, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. For this $12 million corporate headquarters, the warmth of wood and the curved forms were a driving factor. The glue-lam beams, which form the exposed roof structure and laminated roof deck, allow for large open spaces with minimal interruption from columns. Curved glue-lams also support the mechanical distribution clouds suspended below the exposed roof structure. Use of renewable engineered wood was also an important element in this effort. Reclaimed oak is used as a wall cladding system in the training room areas, as well as at key focal points such as bridges, the training center, and the Studio Logic area. Maple sports flooring is used in the small training room for aerobics, while maple and cherry trim accents the interior throughout. Engineering. This award recognizes engineers or engineering firms that regularly specify, design, or build commercial, industrial, and institutional projects using wood. It acknowledges individuals or firms that contribute to the selection of wood in a project, lead the way for future projects in wood, and contribute to the creation of innovative wood structures. Bolingbrook Farm Round Barn, Bolingbrook, Illinois. Halverson and Partners Structural Engineers, Chicago, Illinois. At this reconstructed round barn, the structural engineers at Halverson and Partners built off the original framing concept of wooden stud walls and wooden roof joist resting on a central wood silo. The structure also includes platform framing wall studs with metal strap uplift anchors, doubled up 2x6 wall studs, wood roof trusses, and a plywood sheeted shear wall. Wood connections and construction techniques were devised to construct a historic wood structure with modern-day materials and cost limitations. The longevity and economical nature of wood was ideal, while new technologies of wood materials and connections simplified the construction effort. Every structural member in this reconstruction is wood, save a few nails and plate connectors. To walk inside this structure and look up, you can truly appreciate the material itself. Green building. Wood contributes to a building's high performance by reducing energy use and overall environmental impact and making efficient use of resources. Nominations in the green building category were judged on the basis of showcasing how wood contributed to some or all of these principles when applied in the building's design and construction. Harrington Recovery Center, Rogers Memorial Hospital, Summit, Wisconsin. TWP Architecture, Elm Grove, Wisconsin. This 21,000 square foot, $7.5 million, 20-bed residential substance abuse treatment center is focused on serving professionals in need of chemical addiction recovery. Using natural cedar-stained wood, the center provides a warm and comfortable feel throughout. The innovative interior design features locally harvested natural stone, cedar wood siding coated with low VOC paints. The dynamic exterior was designed to blend harmoniously into the surrounding natural setting by using locally harvested natural stone and harvested cedar wood, and the windows and doors were locally manufactured. The water-efficient landscaping retained many established trees and indigenous plantings. The roof contains an occupiable vegetated green roof uses both a therapeutic garden for the patients and an environmentally sensitive way to handle stormwater and insulate the building. Only wood that was locally harvested and manufactured was used. Since wood is weather resistant, it allowed for the winter construction months to continue uninterrupted. Innovative Wood Design. A new category this year, the Innovative Wood Design Award recognizes creative and innovative approaches to the use of wood in building or structure design. The award is presented to an individual or firm that has clearly excelled at out-of-the-box thinking, although traditional applications such as bridges, gazebos, boardwalks, and recreational structures are eligible. Lincoln Park Zoo, South Pond Pavilion, Chicago, Illinois. Studio Gang, Chicago, Illinois. Located on Chicago's north side, the South Pond Pavilion at the Lincoln Park Zoo is an open-air, wood and fiberglass structure that welcomes public learning opportunities and informal community gatherings. As part of Studio Gang's largest work to rehab and restore the once polluted South Pond, the pavilion overlooks an area of reclaimed wetlands in the middle of a highly developed urban setting. Functioning as both refuge and outdoor classroom, the pavilion is integrated into an educational boardwalk that teaches visitors about the pond's ecosystem as they walk through the area. Inspired by a tortoiseshell, the laminated structure consists of prefabricated bent wood members and a series of interconnected fiberglass pods that give the pavilion an organic form. The double curved beams test the limits of wood's flexibility while creating an inviting space for visitors to enjoy. Institutional Wood Design. The healing and learning properties associated with a wood environment have been well documented. This award recognizes the benefits of wood in institutional applications such as schools, fire halls, hospitals, long-term care facilities, libraries, municipal buildings, and recreational facilities, which demonstrate wood's strength, beauty, versatility, cost-effectiveness, and/or other qualities. United States Land Port of Entry, Warroad, Minnesota, Julie Snow Architects, Minneapolis, Minnesota. This 40,000 square foot, $34 million facility is part of the U.S. General Services Administration's Design Excellence Program. The structure was built in Warroad, Minnesota, a city renowned for its use of wood. Sustainability, aesthetics, and ease of construction were all important factors in the ultimate decision to use wood as the primary cladding system for both the interior and exterior of the facility. Using sustainably harvested Western red cedar resulted in a LEED Silver certification, a requisite for a Design Excellence federal project. Aesthetically, the team wanted to create a warm, welcoming presence to visitors in an often cold, harsh climate. The remote location of the project made it important to select a material that didn't require imported expertise, but rather capitalized on local labor, talent, and craftsmanship. The exterior envelope is finished in a back-ventilated cladding assembly with clear-grade cedar siding. The flush siding is set in a randomized layout with pieces of varying widths. All mechanical rooftop screens and mechanical yard fences are finished in cedar siding. All of the exterior siding, with the exception of the entrances, is treated in a black stain finish. A clear stain finish is used to highlight the portals of entry. Interior Beauty Wood Design. This category recognizes the extensive use of wood inside a non-residential structure. Consideration was given to the interior of buildings where wood products are used extensively in any variety of applications. This includes, but is not exclusive to, ceilings, soffits, wall surfaces, cabinetry, flooring, and other examples of fine finished carpentry. Nyland Johnson Lewis, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Cunningham Group Architecture, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Nyland Johnson Lewis, a progressive law firm of select specialties, calls this new 77,000 square foot facility home. The design was formulated to showcase the firm's commitment to excellence, focus on client practices, collaborative culture, and a strong sense of community. Forest Stewardship Council woods were selected for construction, resulting in a LEED Silver registration. Since it was locally sourced, walnut wood was used for the majority of construction. The wood itself, through its modernistic simplification, absence of ornamentation, and function over form, is a reflection of the firm's approach to modern law practice. Multifamily wood design. This category honors the creators of new multifamily projects that push the limits of wood design and showcase qualities of wood such as strength, durability, beauty, versatility, and cost effectiveness. It covers a range of building types including hotels, apartments, condominiums, duplexes, dormitories, affordable housing facilities, and seniors' residences. Special consideration was given to projects that utilize wood as the dominant structural material. Cobblestone Square, Apple Valley, Minnesota. Elnis Swenson Graham with J.P. Nelson Architect, Minneapolis, Minnesota. This 87,000 square foot, $6 million senior housing structure was designed to be warm and homelike for its residents. The affordable construction cost of wood helped the Dakota County CDA provide affordable senior housing to residents of Dakota County. In addition to wood's cost effectiveness, the 2x4 and 2x6 wall construction helped keep the cost of the facility low while not sacrificing quality and the residential feel of the property. Maple wood trim is featured in the main foyer, parlor, community, and library areas of the building. Additionally, each unit within includes maple wood cabinets, trim, blinds, and doors. Traditional use of wood. This category recognizes the innovative use of wood in buildings that traditionally feature wood in their design and construction, such as wineries, churches, clubhouses, lodges, and outstructures. Buildings that push the limits of wood design, as well as those that showcase one or more of wood's qualities, such as strength, beauty, versatility, and cost effectiveness, were favored. Congregation Imanu, River Hills, Wisconsin. Phil Katz Development, Mequon, Wisconsin. Congregation Imanu is a $12 million synagogue, sanctuary, administration, social hall, and library. The project also includes classrooms, outdoor spaces, offices, and kitchens. The building and interior were designed to create a feeling of completeness or wholeness between the buildings and its surroundings. The selection of wood as a primary structural and finishing material was of primary importance. Tradition, history, and liturgy make references to specific species of wood, as well as forms and proportions in the construction of sacred spaces. The ceilings are comprised of walnut perforated acoustical panels. The floors are made of walnut burl floor tile. Glue laminated Douglas fir columns support the roof structure, while decorative maple acoustical wall panels and demountable wood walls and doors complete the interior accents.